Okay. Right, this will be an interesting and colourful one. We can make this look good. I think we're going to make this just a positive image. It's colourful enough as it is. Going all the way with the contrast for this one. I'm going to lighten it up. I don't know how big we're going to make it. Okay, right, how big are we going to make this one? Let's just see what it is. It is a candy cane. Yeah, a bit broken and damaged, but still it's a candy cane. Nice and colourful. We're going to do something interesting with it. See if we can make it look any good. So now we're just going to switch ourselves over. I'm going to make it a 400% job, or maybe no, we're not going all the way. We're going to make this maybe a 340 by 340. It's going to be a challenge making this into a movement piece, so we're just going to slide it around with my hand. So hopefully the hand will add an extra interest to the image. Stabilising image, please wait. Typical Konica Minolta. Let's see how we go. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that's interesting. It's a little bit, there's not much in it, but we could actually work on this little piece. It looks interesting. So I'm wondering if we're gonna, well, I don't know what to do with this. I'm probably just going to throw it away. But it was just another Christmas thingamajig. So I'm wondering if we're going to use that. So we're just going to set ourselves up for copied paper. We're going to just put this in the corner and enlarge it. And hopefully we can enlarge it to fit nicely as a nice composition. I'm actually wondering if I should do a better version, or maybe this version's what we want. So now we're just going to set up again. So I don't know how big we're going to make this one. We're going to try and be intuitive, folks. So this is going 140 by 100 and how big are we going to make this? I'm trying to be intuitive, folks. I don't know what we're going to do with this. We're going 120 for the vertical. This is not going to be an easy one. And let's see if we can just get the colours happening nicely. I think the contrast has to go to the centre now. And maybe the copy density is going to stay the same. We'll see what we can do with this piece. Okay, I think that's a good sizing. We've made it. I think that's a good fit. Wondering if we're going to enlarge it maybe a little bit more on the vertical, maybe a little bit bigger to fit the page even nicer. So we're going to make it 125, I think will be a good sizing, or maybe 130. I'm actually thinking, I hope the 125 is the size. So this looks interesting. I don't know if it's the greatest demo that I'll be doing. If maybe I could have done it better. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks a bit better. It still looks a bit like it could be bigger, but no, I think we'll leave it like that. I think that's going to be our finished work. It'll probably look better once I've assembled it as a job, because it's not easy to tell sometimes if it's going to be a success until I've actually printed it and put it together as a mirror. But it's a challenge trying to photocopy something like a candy cane and trying to move it and make it look good. So they're not the easiest things to do, these enlarged movements. It's very hard to control movement. So that looks quite nice. So now we're just going to print off another 2 more in mirror image mode. This one's going to be an odd size, so I'm actually thinking, where is it? Some number of originals. We're just going to set this up. It probably will work, but sometimes these don't work very well in mirror image. Sometimes it does the wrong thing. It's hard to know. I can't work out what's not going to work and what's going to work when it comes to original size. But I thought I'd add it manually just in case. So let's see how we've gone with this. But it's very colourful. I'm not big on eating candy canes. They're not my thing. They're nice, you know, they're sweet and that, but I'm just not into that sort of shit. I'm not a big lolly fan. I think I grew out of lollies years ago. Occasionally I get given one, but I don't normally eat lollies as a general rule. Okay, now that looks quite nice actually. I think now we can call this candy cane demo quits.